After making your cover page, the next thing that you will be doing is to prepare a table of content. Alright, for the table of content, the first thing that you need to do is to place a heading. You can use WordArt if you wanted to, so you can go to Insert and then WordArt and then pick whichever WordArt you want, or you can just go with a regular font, for which you can go to the Home tab, go to the font bar, and you can pick any font that you think would look good as a heading. I'm going to go with this one. Then you need to make sure that you bring your cursor to the center of the page. So for that, you go to the paragraph tab right here, and then this thing right here is the center align. You click on it, and then you just type table of content. Highlight it and make sure that you have adjusted the font size. Okay. The next thing that you want to do is you want to bring your cursor to the next line. You want to make sure that your cursor is on the left side of the page, so you go here to left align. Then you need to type in your topics for your assignment. First one is going to be, and I'm going to change my font back to the regular font size, and if you want, you can also change the font style to whatever you wanted. So you can have a different font style. So I'm going to go with this one, and then you are going to type your assignments that you will have for this project. Once you have typed in my timeline, the next thing that you want to do is you want to go to the paragraph group right here, and then you want to click on this small arrow right here. On your left bottom, you're going to see where it says tabs. You click on it. For the tab position, you need to set up a position so that you can tab. Just use the tab key. So what you will do is you will set your tab at 4.5, which is right here. If you look on my ruler, right here is 4, and 4.5 will set up a tab here, and I'll explain to you what the tab would do. So just type in 4.5, and you want the alignment to be on the left. For the leaders, basically it just means the style that you want for your table of content, and you can go with any of them. I will go with 2. You click on set, and then you say OK. Now if you come back to your page, nothing has happened. The next thing that you want to do is you want to press the tab key on your keyboard like this, and you see it shows the dotted line. Don't put the page number yet, just leave it as is, and then you come into the next line, and then you type in your next assignment, which is my flyer, and then you again press the tab key like this, and it sets the tab for you. You keep on going till you get all of your topics. There you go, and then it's my editorial, my imagination, and we are going to modify these as we go along, but for now you can use these as your topics. My research, and my situation. S has to be capital in this, and then finally my story. Okay, this basically makes up your table of content. You can adjust the zoom to see how it looks on the page right here, or you can go to the view tab and then go to one page, and it shows you how the table of content looks. And then you can adjust it in terms of if you wanted it to be in the center or wherever. Okay, so this is how you're going to make the table of content for your assignment.